cartoon, but it just basically explains what happens in the animal agriculture industries and like the sort of.
396,000 animals died while I was watching that video.
Sorry?
396,000 animals died.
You've got a good memory. You've got a very good memory of what obviously they just said that in there. So it's basically just describing, what happens to animals for humans. So have you heard of veganism before?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know what it is? Or
Yes.
Yeah. What would you say it is if you could sort of describe the definition of it? What would you say it is?
I guess it would be a cruelty-free diet. So no meat or animal-related. Well, that's because we killed them.
Yeah, so that's what I used to think it was as well, but it's actually not a diet. So I used to think that it was just a diet where you eliminate meat, dairy and eggs from the diet, but it's actually the ethical principle that says humans shouldn't exploit animals for anything. So obviously it's about not paying for products that are tested on animals, or going to zoos or marine parks or aquariums or anything like that.
It's not necessarily quite that simple, is it? Because marine parks and zoos do an awful lot of conservation work, and the awareness that they raise is quite huge. And actually, in that conservation world, so obviously there are different levels of zoos, but there is quite a lot.
So there's sanctuaries which obviously look after the animals, and they have their well-being at the number one of what reason for what they do. But then there's zoos and marine parks which actually just make money from entertaining humans from them. I think that's a little bit different. I know what you're saying.
London Zoo do an awful lot of conservation work, and they're called a zoo. And so does Paynton Zoo.
Okay.
And so Paradise Park.
Do you not think it's just would you not be open to the idea of it being a little bit of a myth that
No, not really. No. I work in conservation, or I have done so.
Okay,
yeah.
So you think it's definitely just conservation with zoos and marine parks?
No, it's grey. It's not black and it's not white, but it is grey, and they do an awful lot of good as well. So
what percentage of animals who are kept in captivity are endangered species? Do you know?
So I know, but from that, the scientific research and the work that goes on behind the scenes.
You know the question that I just asked you. What's the percentage of? Okay.
Go.
All right, no worries. Cheers. See you later. Have a nice day.
I've come for a prize. I've been told to come to you for a prize.
There you go.